This is the simple waakye recipe you can find on the internet. First, you have to soak your beans. Okay, wash it and soak it overnight or for about 12 hours, and then we transfer it into a cooking pot. Add some water or hot water or room temperature water. Add your waakye leaves, some baking soda or salt. And salt, sorry, baking soda is going to help the leaf release its color very well into the water. Okay, and you achieve that beautiful waakye color. Yes, now that we are okay with this color, okay, if you're okay with your color, just go ahead and take the leaf out, wash your rice, and then transfer it into the cooking pot. Thank you so much for stopping by. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and thank you for clicking on this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for stopping by. Now that we add our rice to the pot, we are going to stir this, and with this we are not adding any additional water. But if you want your waakye very soft or anyhow, just make sure you add the water to your preference. Okay, if you think you have to add some more water to it, just go ahead to do that. If you think it's not necessary to add some water, just leave it. And also taste if the salt is not enough, just add some more salt, and then we'll cover this and bring it to a boil. Yes, please, if you're enjoying this video, do not forget to like, share, and also comment your thoughts, and also subscribe if you haven't done that yet, so you don't miss any video I'll post in the future, and click on the bell notification icon. Now we use some baking paper to cover this so the heat gets trapped in the waakye. And if you want your waakye very dry, then you have to reduce your water, but I prefer my waakye to be like this. Okay, just like this. So we just stir this, flip it over for some time, and there's some more water in it, so I just cover this again, and then I let it simmer for few minutes, and our waakye will be done in a bit. Please make sure your beans is well cooked or semi-cooked before you add your rice. Other than that, your rice will cook very well and be soft while your beans is still hard. So make sure before you add your rice, your beans is very soft. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.